Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Piraeus, Greece, and I'm in front of this amazing church, and I'm going to go inside if it's open. I haven't even looked to see if it's open yet, but it looks pretty amazing, and I think it's one of the bigger, nicer churches here, but we're going to find out when we stick our head in. Let's go do it together, shall we? Here we go. Certainly a big church. I wonder if it's open. I guess that's what you always have to ask, huh? Is that door open? Maybe. Well, maybe. Is there a name for this church out here somewhere? Because I couldn't find a name on the internet. No idea. But it looks like it might be open. Hey, look at that art. Now we gotta be quiet. Wow. I guess we'll go right down the middle, huh? Wow. That's pretty amazing. So I think this is an Orthodox church. Yeah, you certainly can't. I don't know all the ins and outs here, but stained glass is pretty. Can you see the stained glass up there? You probably can't from here, though. And the stairs are pretty amazing. Definitely ornate. Those are some little tiny stairs, huh? That must be a relic of some kind, maybe two relics of some kind of bone or something inside there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a bone in that one, and it looks like there's a bone in that one too, and it actually looks like on this cross right here there's a bone in the bottom of that one too. And they always kiss the items, which is pretty crazy. The chandelier's amazing. I'll find the exact name for this church and I'll put it in my description so you guys know. But it's right on the main square, right across the street from the theater. So, very cool. Thanks for coming along, everybody. Bye-bye. there was a guy that came inside, and he said this is St. Constantine's church. St. Constantine. So, and it's a pretty nice church inside, so very cool. All right, and I'm going to spin this camera around so you can kind of see where things are at here a bit. So that's the theater over there. I did a video on that, and without seeing the inside, here's the metro stop for the theater, and it's this big huge square, and they've got volleyball going on over there and some kind of little shows and music and everything else, and certainly different. Okay, everybody, St. Constantine's Church. Very nice. Bye, everybody.